Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical and Electronics Knowledge. So in this video you can see how to find equivalent resistance when a branch of resistor connected in either series circuit or parallel circuit. So let's start this video. Series circuit. So here we have three resistors R1, R2 and R3 which are connected in series with one voltage source, and the current flowing through the circuit is I. So whenever the resistors are connected in the series combination, the same current will flow through each resistor, but potential difference across each resistance may be different. So here the same current I will flow through resistor R1, R2 and R3, and because of flow the current, there will be drop across the resistors. So let's say the drop is V1, V2 and V3. Friends, don't skip this video. Please watch the full video for find the equivalent resistance. So now applying KVL, we can write V minus V1 minus V2 minus V3 is equal to 0. Now using the Ohms law, we can write V minus IR1 minus IR2 minus IR3 is equal to 0. So we can write V is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let's say this equation number 1. Now if we replace these three resistors by their equivalent resistance, then the circuit is look like this. Here from this circuit we can write V is equal to IR and say the equation number 2. So put the V value in equation number 1. So we can write IR is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3, or R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So we can say that if three resistors are connected in series, then their equivalent resistance can be given as the sum of all the resistors. So we can calculate n-type resistors equivalent resistance in this way. So the n-type resistor equivalent resistance calculating formula is R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 ... Rn. Parallel circuit. In this combination, potential difference across each resistor is same, but current is different for each resistor. Now in this circuit, applying KCL, and we can write I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. Now applying Ohm's law, we can write I is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3 plus V by R4. Or we can write I is equal to V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. Let's say this equation is number 1. Now if we replace these four resistors by their equivalent resistance, then the circuit is look like this. Here from this circuit we can write I is equal to V by R, and let's say this equation number 2. So put the I value in equation number 1. So we can write V by R is equal to V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. Or we can write 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. So we can say that if four resistors are connected parallel, then their equivalent resistance can be given by this expression. So the n-type resistors equivalent resistance calculating formula is 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus ... 1 by Rn. So I hope you learn how to find the equivalent resistance for series and parallel circuit. So friends, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.